Welcome to Carson Williams tutorials. Today I'm going to tell you about a free program that you can use to convert all your audio and video from one format to another format. If you click on your Firefox or Internet Explorer, get on the internet and go to filehippo.com, and once you're there you'll see this page. Okay, so if you'll scroll down into your video, you'll see that you have all kind of stuff here: benchmarking, file transfers, messaging, antivirus programs. There's a lot of freeware on this site, but you want to look under audio and video, and if you don't see it on the list, sometimes you have to click in more. So if I click under audio and video or DVD tools, for this one let's try it here, and just type in up top here super, and just click search, and you'll see here super build 2009 build 35. Download this program and install it, reboot your computer, and then I'll show you what it can do. Now the first time you click on super, it will take a few minutes to load up. So what I'm going to do here is see if I can find it here in my program files. Alright, there it is. So what I'm going to do, go ahead and let this load up. And it does take a few minutes. Now Super does have all of its own audio and video codecs built into the program, so you really don't have a need for an external codec program, but if you do have one installed like the K-Lite codec pack, there's really nothing wrong with that. It won't conflict with it. It's still loading. Once it starts up for the first time, it will minimize itself into the taskbar here, and then once it does that, you'll wait a few seconds and it will maximize itself. There you go. You see it's come over here now. It's probably trying to update, and I have it blocked temporarily. Yeah, that's exactly what it's trying to do. Okay, there it goes. Okay, now say for instance I have a tutorial that I made. It's in an MP4 format. If I wanted to import that particular file, MP4 file, into this program, first what you have to do is set this program up to save all your files on your desktop so you can work faster. So what you do, you right click in this box here, and you can go to your output file saving management, and make sure you choose your desktop and click save changes, and that way it will save your conversions automatically to your desktop. The first thing you want to do is right click in the same box, go to multimedia file, choose your desktop, and find the file that you're looking to convert. And for this particular one, I'm going to choose the MP4 file format, and you'll see it here, and it's got a check mark by it. Now if you click this drop down menu here and scroll through, what kind of video format would you like to convert it to? If you want it to be a, say for instance, an FLV file, or something to go on an iPod, or whatever you like, you can do it. For this particular tutorial, let's see here, let's go ahead and choose a MOV file, which is a QuickTime movie format. Alright, once I choose that format, you can see it has the H.264, which is a high quality encoder. You can change it to a different type of codec, but this is really recommended. It's the highest one available. You also can change your audio options here, whichever you like, and the AACLC is which default for this particular codec. This is already defaulted what works best. Everything's already set up. You can over here you can disable your video or your audio. Down here you can stream copy, you can change the format, you can, when you convert it, say your one size of your video is 620 by 480 and you want it to be 1280 by something, or you want it to be smaller, you can go and change everything here. If you want it to be a widescreen, right here in aspect ratio, or how many frames per second, but normally it's all set up. And your kilobits, if you want to change your bit rate, you can change that here. If you want to convert it to a DVD or whatever, high quality is already checked. Normally you don't have to do anything. So what you do now is just click encode, activate file, encode the files here. And once you click that, let me scoot this over a little bit, it'll start encoding. You can see right here it's parsing input file, and you can see the input file format, and then we'll see the output file format when we're done. This shouldn't take too long, so we're just going to wait it out here. It's a pretty small file. You can set your DVD language here. You can set 6 channel. If you want to have audio on 6 channels for surround sound, you can convert it to that right here. Of course, it tells you AAC or AC3 4800, so you'd also have to check 4800 here if you want to go to surround sound. So it's telling you that, and of course it would automatically change some of your settings. This is a very, very good tool, and it's free, like I said. There's no cost for it. There's no spyware. There's no adware. There's no pop-ups. There's nothing hidden in this. What you see is what you get. One thing, it could be better in one aspect of the program, which would be the update manager. Instead of trying to update, it should ask you, would you like to update now? I think that would be good if he would implement that into the program, instead of just automatically going and updating for you and then telling you after it goes to the internet. But I think overall I can get by with that. This is a great program. I actually have seen programs out there on the internet that don't work this good, that cost a lot of money. So I'm really thankful for this program by eRice Soft. And we're almost finished here. You can see your output file size, which is in kilobytes, which is actually 7 megabytes so far. Now it's 8 megabytes. Actually showing you bytes. MB for megabytes, B for bytes. Okay, the file's finished. You can see the box is not checked anymore. That means your file is complete. If you ever have a problem where it can't convert a video file format, right here it has a direct show decode box. Just try checking that and then converting again. Don't forget to uncheck that when you're done though. Okay, now let's go ahead and exit out this, and let's go to our conversion, which is right here. You can see now it's a QuickTime movie, where before right here it was an MP4. So now we're going to look at it in a QuickTime movie format. There we go. Okay, not much difference in quality. Alright, thank you for watching.